Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports, and we have the 4Runner for you. 2000, one owner, 43,000 original and documented miles. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous 4Runner. Here at Davis AutoSports, in my opinion, we sell the finest Gen 3 4Runners in the country. We've sold probably 300 to 400, if not more. You can see a majority of those on YouTube. We've been selling them since 2009. We only sell them in top tier condition. On top of that, we find the nicest ones in the country, bring them into our facility here at DAS. We are a full restoration facility. We're in our detail part of the building right now. To the right of us is our upholstery. To the left is our body shop. To the front on the other side of that wall is our service and technician area. So we do everything here in-house. This is one of, if not the finest 4Runner we have had in, and that speaks very highly. Bought it directly from the original owner. It's never ever been on the market for sale. We have the original bill of sale. We have the bill of origin, which is the document before it even gets titled. All the keys, all the remotes, all the books. A absolutely turnkey, beautiful, top tier 4Runner. Original 43,000 miles, a true one owner. We just did, not that it was needed, but we did the full DAS 4Runner service. Timing belt, water pump, idler pulley, tensioner, valve covers, spark plugs, you name it, it's been done. Fully serviced. This thing will last you 300, 400, 500,000 miles. The paint is absolutely incredible. It came to us in beautiful condition. We still did perform our full paint correction service on it to make it that much nicer. The undercarriage is just as impressive. Non-smoker as well for the interior. Leather seats. Every panel you're looking at is the original panel with the original VIN plate. Tires like new, rims beautiful, center caps beautiful. All the weather seals around all the bezels and handles are absolutely perfect. Indicator that it's been garage kept. Once again, every panel has a factory issue VIN plate on it. Look at these flares, absolutely beautiful. She is in the wrapper, guys. Original Toyota headlights with the Toyota emblem still in there. Same thing with the marker lights and fog lights. Excuse me, rear marker lights. We didn't buff those. We didn't do any headlight restoration. That's exactly how they came in. That is the original headlight that it left the factory with. Honestly, although it has 43,000 miles, if this thing showed 8 on the odometer, you could not contest it. It's that nice. For every one 4Runner that we have in stock that we are selling, we probably put our hands and passed on 10 to 15 to get the one. And then on top of that one that we get like this, we bring it into our facility, completely recondition it, make it as nice as we can make it without going completely overboard considering what it is. That's a little bit of wax residue right there, coming right off. and then obviously over service as well. That service I just spouted out, if you were to go to Toyota and get all of that done, including the valve covers, you're probably going to be upwards of about $2 grand if you were to go to Toyota. Absolutely remarkable. You will not find one this nice. We searched the market, we searched the entire country, retail, wholesale, auctions. Anyone that's been on Bring a Trailer, we've pretty much seen all those either in person before they went on or during the auction. Carpets have no staining. There's some shadowing, and depending on how they were last touched, it's going to give a variation of color. So where you see that darker there, that's just how it was last touched. Carpets are stain free. Sunroof works perfect. Everything in this 4Runner works perfect. AC's ice cold, heat's perfect, dash is perfect, non-smoker, no odors whatsoever. All door jambs, bottom of doors are perfect. Vent plate there, vent plate there, vent plate right there. These seats from the factory, those wrinkles are in there. That's how it's designed. Usually these Toyotas have rust issues up here. As you see, absolutely perfect. Factory issue vent plate. Original bill of sale or window sticker, that's not a copy. And this is a certificate of origin. This is what's actually given to the Jeep, or the Jeep. We do have some Jeeps here, excuse me, before the title is even issued. All the original paperwork from the day they bought it at the dealership, everything is included. Lee's Toyota is the original Toyota dealership that sold it. Rear cargo cover, all three slides work absolutely perfect. Very rare to get a 4Runner of this era with those still intact. Headliner's perfect, all the trim is beautiful, no scuffing. I bought this directly from a 70-plus-year-old couple. They don't drive it anymore. They share one Lexus SUV that they go to church in once a week, and that's about all the driving they do. They were kind enough to invite me in their house. I had a pleasure spending time with them. Great couple. I bullcrap you not, the lady who's this belonged to, very sweet lady. As I was driving off and loading it up on the trailer, she literally waved, not to me, but to the 4Runner goodbye. So very loved 4Runner. Factory issued VIN plate. Factory issued VIN plate. VIN plate. Seat belts, down to the details. Weather stripping, no dry rotting of any sort. This is the real deal. Only thing that it needs, in my opinion, is a set of WeatherTech floor liners, which we will happily include those as a Diamond WeatherTech dealer. Still has the keyless entry. And we're gonna take this thing on a quick drive. All right, guys, here we are in the test drive portion of the video. As expected, a 2004 4Runner that's been this well cared for, with 40,000 miles, with all the servicing that we did. This thing drives absolutely perfect. Very hot day here in Richmond, Virginia, well in the upper 80s. AC's nice and cold. Drive line throughout, very smooth. 4-wheel drive's been tested, works perfectly. 525 sticker up front. 4Runner just got a brand new Virginia State inspection that's done by an inspection station that's governed by the Virginia State Police Department. It's a very thorough inspection. They check for a lot of mechanical parts, brakes, make sure there's no major issues with any of the steering components, suspension components. They all have to be able to inspect of the ranges that are within the inspection, tires, brakes. This video could last as long as we both wanted to, with me driving, it driving perfect, and you're just gonna see the same thing minute after minute. So just wanted to show you guys it does operate exactly as it should. Perfect driving 4Runner, beautiful condition. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact us directly. Let me give you an email address because we're going to get blown up on this. Also, let me tell you, we are listing this around June 16th, 2024. If you're viewing this on YouTube, make sure to go to our website at davisautosports.com to make sure it's still available. And before emailing or calling us, just go to our website. It's going to sell quick because of the miles and the condition. But you can visit our website, once again, davisautosports.com, and you can contact us through the website if you have any questions about the truck. Thanks again.